Hey folks, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So first things first, you should be watching this in portrait mode, not landscape, so you can see my big head. Now, next thing is, if it looks like I'm shaking a lot, it's not me, it's just how inaccurate these AR emojis are. So let's get on with my 7 days, 7 days with the Galaxy S9. Now, I had so much fun doing the other review like this, I thought, you know what, I'm going to do it again, but I'm going to age myself a little bit. How do I look? Let's get into it. Now, here's how I feel about the Galaxy S9 after about 7 to 9 days or so. No pun intended. All right, so the screen is obviously gorgeous. I don't have any issues with it. Battery life, it's so-so. It's not the best. You understand? Huh? Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? Anyway, battery life is not the best, but it'll do. It's good enough for you. You can make it through a full day with the Galaxy S9 with no problems. I mean, no problems. I'm a heavy user. Which means I get tons of emails. I do a lot of social media, and I'm always taking photos and videos and posting it on social media. So that is how I feel about the battery life. It'll make it through a day. And again, I think I said the screen was good. Yeah, the screen's good. How about the form factor of this phone, which I think is one of the reasons I like it a little bit better than the S9 Plus, because I got such a powerful phone and such a good package. You hear me? So the form factor of this phone is absolutely great. It is great. Great. It's a compact phone with a 5.8-inch Quad HD display and a super high resolution. It's got dual speakers packed in this little body. It's got an iris scanner, facial recognition. It's got a heart rate monitor I use when I go to the gym. No, I don't use a walker while I'm at the gym, and I leave my cane at home. You understand what I'm saying? So the form factor on here is really good. Unfortunately, one thing I don't like about the form factor is I don't have a skin on it yet, so I've been having to keep it in a case. This thing has slipped off the table, slipped off my lap, slipped out my pants, slipped out my pocket. It has slipped out of everything, and it is a slippery phone. So I would advise you to keep it in a case until you can get some kind of skin on it. I'm not going to promote any kind of slick wraps or D-Ran or any of that stuff. You just make sure you keep it in some kind of case until it's time for you to, get your grip on. Remember, if it looks like I'm shaking, it's just how inaccurate these AR emojis are. Now, I told you a few things I like and one thing I dislike about it. One thing I really enjoy that I didn't really used to use before, I used to do everything Bluetooth at the gym, but Bluetooth died on me one day. I was in my car and I was at the gym and I grabbed my Bluetooth and it was dead. So I had to resort to the old headphone jack. And you know what? The S9 has a headphone jack and it saved me. It saved me, folks. It saved me. Yes, it did. And like I said, when my jaw just shook like that, that wasn't me. That was how inaccurate these AR emojis is. Now, having that headphone jack, ooh, it's a good thing. It saved me at the gym. And the sound that people always ask about when you plug in, I've gotten that question before, what happens when you plug in? Well, when I plug in, the sound is fantastic. I believe this phone has the AKG tuned headphones, which I think are really, really nice. However, I'm not even using those. I tested them, but I ain't using them. I'm using my JBL headphones, and they sound great. You understand what I'm saying? Great. So plugging in at the gym has been good for me. You know, I do use Bluetooth and everything in the car with this phone, but when I went to the gym that one time, now I've been plugging in and I've come to appreciate the headphone jack, to say the least. Yeah. Now, I normally run down a whole slew of things when I'm doing kind of a follow-up review, but this is only about 7 to 9 days, so pretty much I like the phone, folks. I really like the phone. I don't have anything to complain about. I just don't. It's just one of those things. I don't have nothing to complain about. Except for these AR emojis and how inaccurate they are. When I'm moving my mouth, my eyes, my face, everything's got like a little, like it's making me look like I'm sucking on a lemon or something. I tilt my head down like that. You see how my lips look, my jawbone? I'm not even doing that in real life. That's these AR emojis, folks. They're a little inaccurate. The eyes are the only thing I think that's kind of moving, like I'm moving up and down right now, like that. I'm actually doing that for real. Yeah. And when I stop talking, that's pretty much when it's accurate. Like this. And I really did just droop my eyes like that too. So AR emojis is one thing about this phone I think is, it's cool and everything, but it's not something that I use regularly. And I'm only doing it for these reviews that I've been doing on this phone. I did my 72 hours like this, so be sure to check that out. But for now, I hope you enjoyed this 7 days with this thing. So, AR emojis are, a cool little thing to do, but they're not very accurate compared to, you know what. And see that little shake that happened? I didn't do that. I just cleared my throat and the whole screen shook. Something's wrong with AR emojis, but it's a start. It's a start. So I'll be giving you a follow-up video on the Galaxy Note 8 on Oreo. I'm not puckering my lips, just so you know. That's how weak these AR emojis are. So I'm going to give you a follow-up video on the Galaxy Note 8 on Oreo, so look for that. And why is it making me pucker my lips like that? You tilt your head down, it's puckering your lips. What is going on? I ain't got no lemon, nothing tart. I'm talking right now. Look how it's making me talk like a duck or something. I don't know what's going on with these AR emojis. Samsung, you need to get some accuracy going. I'm blinking my eyes like that, though. This is kind of cool. I just was a little bit more accurate. From the nose down, it's not accurate at all. It's just, I think they thought of, we'll just open and close the mouth on this little cartoon character. All right, folks. If you have any questions, leave them down below. It's your man, Jay Will. And this is about 7 to 9 days with the Samsung Galaxy S9. I like it, folks. I do. I'll give you a full review later on. There you go, pucker on my lips again. Take care.